Hey, beautiful people, it's Rickita. I'm back with another video. So in this video, I'm going to teach you guys how you guys can increase your credit score 100 points with just $50. I know I've been talking about my strong in 75, and I definitely still have that where we're working to increase our credit scores 180 points total minimum with all three credit bureaus added up in 75 days. Now we're working on that. Currently, when I'm recording this, is day 21 of that. We're going all the way to the 75 days. We're going to have it all done. But I want to show you guys how this is really possible, seriously, where you can actually increase it with just $50. A lot of people don't have to do a lot to increase their credit scores, okay? So let me show you guys how you actually can get this done. And if you guys don't believe it, I have some results here that I wanted to show you guys on how you can increase your credit scores quickly. So don't think that, oh, you can't increase your credit scores quickly, because you definitely can increase your credit scores quickly. You just have to follow these rules, make sure you do what you have to do, and then you're going to be able to see a quick increase in your credit scores as long as you follow the rules. So the first thing I want you guys to consider is, when you're trying to increase your credit scores, what you can do is literally the first thing is see if you can pay down any of your credit cards. Like literally, utilization is a huge thing. So I have this person, I always show their results where their credit scores went up a lot just by paying down their credit cards. Literally, utilization is everything. So if you guys actually have a balance on your credit cards, I want you to consider to just pay down your credit cards, because when you pay down your credit cards, you're going to see that your credit scores can go up quickly. Now, the trick is this though. When you think about paying down your credit cards, I want you guys to pay down the one that's due the soonest, because that's who's going to report the soonest. So I want you guys to look at the accounts that all the credit cards that you have. You can go on Credit Karma, or I like to actually organize all my credit cards on this utilization tracker that I have. But I want you guys to see which credit card is going to report, whichever one is due the soonest, and I want you to pay extra on it. And if you guys are if you guys spend more than 30% on this credit card, that's the one that you want to pay the soonest. And if you guys do that, that's when you're going to see a huge increase in your credit score, literally by just paying down your credit cards. Now, I know that a lot of people like, well, utilization is not my problem, I have to do something else. And here's those results here that I want to show you all. Look, this is in a 6-month time frame, right? But you have to think about it like this. This is not even a full 6 months, because it's already some time in when their credit score was at 430, and then now they at a 671, right? So utilization is a huge thing. Now, the faster you pay it down, or the more you pay on it, the quicker your credit score can go up. So first thing is, look and see if it's some see if it's any credit cards or your credit reports that you can actually pay down. Now, the second thing that I want you to do, and some people have simple things like some people only have like a $300 credit card. $50 will go a long way. I see that a lot, and I see people where it's like, dang, your utilization 97%, but I only see they got one credit card reporting, or maybe they only got that $200 secure credit card. You can put that $50 on that credit card, and that's going to help you out a lot. Now, sometimes that $50 is not going to help you go a long way if you got a lot of credit cards. So that's why I tell people to get filler accounts such as Kickoff. As you can see right here, these are some results from people that said how much Kickoff has helped them. So somebody said that they went up 200 points, and this is from Kickoff. Somebody else said they went up 73 points. Kickoff got their credit score over 750. These are actual results from people actually coming back, telling me what ended up happening with their Kickoff. And look, 55 points in 3 weeks. Now, Kickoff, you can start with just $5, and they even have another one where you could just pay $10 per month. So you can be $5 in, and look, credit score of 55 points, because you got to pay $5 per month. So you already up just with that $5. And I suggest that people look into Kickoff, because this can actually help you guys a lot. Not only can you guys do Kickoff, but you guys have another option called Self. So with Self, as you can see right here, I always have similar credit cards on my website. This is my website, Rickita.com. But Self right here, you guys can actually do this Self Visa too, because this can help you guys increase your credit scores a lot. A lot of people sleep on Self, and I just don't see why, because Self, they're actually changing how they're doing things, because now they even have their secure credit card, where if you guys get the secure credit card, then let's see what they get $10, if they're gonna let us right onto the website or not. Because if not, I will go ahead and show you the full website. Let's just go to the full website because they talking about $10 bonus. But definitely use my link and you guys will get the $10 bonus. Will Self for sure. But with Self, they have their secure credit card, which is here. And this one is $25 annual fee. Now, that $25 annual fee for this one, we're talking a $25 annual fee and $5 with kickoff. If you go ahead and do both of those, you're going to really see your credit score go up because now you have 2 accounts reporting on your credit reports. Okay. So definitely look into that. Now, some people have real utilization problems. And if you guys have real utilization problems, like you got higher limit credit cards, and you're like, Rickita, that Self and kickoff is not going to help me. I want you to look into something called Alpheon Credit. I hope I'm saying that correctly. I want you to look into Care Credit because those are ones that can give you higher limits. Even if you don't use it, it can help with your overall utilization. Also, look into Lowe's, look into Home Depot, look into the Toyota and the Lexus credit card, look into the Truist credit card. These cards can pre-qualify you without hard inquiry, and it can help you with your utilization. So that can be another thing that you guys can do. You can just simply apply for more credit cards that give you a higher limit, and you just don't use them, and that can help you with your overall utilization. So that is something that you guys can do that can just help with your overall utilization. Sometimes you guys may just have a small collection on your credit reports. So if you guys go back to my website, again, it's Rickita.com. Let me actually just click the back button. I'm going to go ahead and click this R right here. So if you guys check this out, I have a free dispute letter that you guys can use, and you'll get dispute letters that you guys can use, and you'll get that credit card list. I want you guys to go ahead and download that and start working to remove any negative accounts you have on your credit reports. Now, this is going to cost money because, like I said, we trying to get some stuff going. Like, we want 100 points, seriously, not no jokes. I want you guys to send out your dispute letter certified mail. Now, I have my strongest 75 right here. Like around day 9, day 11, I taught you guys for free. Literally, once you go to strongest75.com, you can see the playlist. You can get the workbook too. It's only $17, which I do suggest that should be your first investment for your $50. But get that workbook, right? And also check on episode 9 through 11. I teach you guys how to fill out your dispute letters and send out these certified receipts. So these are going to be $5.58. So you might as well, let's say it's going to be $18 to send out your letters. So you $18 send out the letters, plus you $17 for the strongest 75 workbook. Okay, so that means what? You're $35 in. You still have enough money to even get the kickoff, and you'll be at $40. But I want you guys to create your dispute letters and start working to remove your negative accounts. And I want to show you guys some results for those people that never knew about accounts being deleted from a credit report. If you see right here, it's 129 points increase. Like in the bankruptcy removed, we got Self removed from here, Navy Federal, the Home Depot, Best Buy, Kickoff, because sometimes people mess up with these accounts. You got to do what you got to do. Discover, and even a credit union deleted from the credit reports. And here are some of those other accounts too. Maybe you guys have some student loans on your credit reports. Maybe you guys need to delete Capital One. You messed up with them. Maybe you need to delete Credit One. Maybe you need to delete the Jefferson Capital Systems. Whatever you guys have on your credit reports, I definitely think if it's inaccurate, I definitely think that you guys should work to remove these accounts from your credit reports. Now, I got another way too. Now, I got some more things that you guys can do. Now, this one, you can decide if you want to send it certified. If you're going to send it certified, you can send it right with this one because it's another letter I want you guys to send to the credit bureaus. Another one is maybe you guys have inquiries on your credit reports. Do y'all know that inquiries can increase your credit score 3 to 7 points per inquiry if you work to remove them? You guys can call the credit bureaus and ask them to remove it, or you can actually use that dispute letter package that I showed you where I said the free dispute letter that's on my website. So you guys can use this. It actually have a inquiry removal letter in there. You guys can use that. Put all your inquiries on there that you think that should not be on your credit reports that you want to have removed, and mail that in with that same letter you send it to the credit bureaus. That's an extra way you can get more points. And guess what? It just costs you an extra few sheets of paper, maybe a sheet or two, or you can print it front and back. You can go ahead and pick. But that's the easy way where you can actually increase your credit score. Okay. Now, again, I then gave you guys a lot of options on how to increase your credit scores. All you guys have to do is take action. And don't forget, check out the Strongest 75. Technically, it's only day 21. And I have it too where you can literally follow along. Start with day one, and workbooks are coming tomorrow. So I'm so happy about that. Start with day one and then work your way down from there. Then do day 2, 3, 4. It is so packed. It's my way of giving back. And I'm so excited about all the results that I've been seeing. If you guys have any questions, always let me know.